Hey guys, so I'll be giving you a quick tour of what this place looks like, this guest house. I won't give you the name just for privacy reasons. However, you have a rough idea of what to look for or what are typically available in a guest house. So just sit down and enjoy the rest of the video. So now I'll take you into the bathroom to show you what the bathroom looks like. A nice big mirror, nothing too fancy. Plain place to leave your stuff. All my toiletry stuff is here. All the different oils for my skin. People know my skin is very sensitive, so I need to have specific kinds of cream, oil, lotion type deal, things like that. I'm also very picky with bathrooms. If I can't eat in my bathroom, yeah, it's a big issue. So this one was not too bad. It was the cleanest bathroom I had seen, so I took it. But I found another place, and we'll see the next couple of weeks, maybe month, we try out a new other place. And that's the bathroom. And then I'm gonna take you guys outside to see what the outside looks like. Also included with this is 2 times of cleaning per week. They change the sheets once a week, but yeah, you get cleaning 2 times a week. Also, I can wash clothes. I usually wash clothes with my hands, to be honest, and I could just dry them up outside, which I will show you guys that. Sorry for the break in transmission, it's your boy Yinks. If you guys are ever in Bali and need help with any organized tours and different things, authentic experiences here in Bali, reach out to us. We would be there to help you out. We focus on sustainable travels and authentic experiences. So check us out. Let's get back to the video. Thank you. And maybe you might get to meet one of my neighbors too, one of my boys. I think he's out here. I hear him talking, so we'll see. Included as well as that. So it's quite cool and unique. Yeah, so my boy is here working, I think, or he's on a meeting, so I will not show him. However, I will show you the kitchen. Yeah, so that's pretty much with the exterior apartment styles. That's how most of it are for most guest houses. Oh, one cool thing I forgot to show you guys was this right here for your helmet, for the bikes. So it's really cool that they have that built in. Anyways, that's it from me today. Don't forget that you can make a difference in this world. Be a light. Till next time, guys. Peace out.